Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to watch or get recover your view on photo on the WhatsApp, then this video is for you. If someone or any friend send you a photo as a view once photo that you have viewed for once and it has just disappeared and you want to recover it again, then this video is for you. So first thing you have to do is log into your WhatsApp account. Now you can find the three dot button at the top right corner. Simply click on it and you can find the settings. Now when you are on settings, you can scroll down and you can find the storage and data. So you can simply click on it where you can find manage storage. So when you are on manage storage, you can find that person that you want to recover the view once photo from that conversation. So find out the person, click on that, and there you can find all the medias. So among those medias you can find that view once photo is just stored in the storage. So anytime you want, you can recover it, or anytime you can see it from this managed storage, from this specific conversation or with the storage that you have shared with that specific person. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.